Welcome to another daily meditation for your journey toward wealth and prosperity. Today, we will explore the power of humility and how it can be the key to unlocking the flow of financial abundance in your life. Being humble does not mean poverty or lowering yourself before others, but rather knowing your limitations and asking for help when you cannot deal with a situation alone. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to not miss any of our meditations and tips for an abundant financial life. Let's start. Find a quiet and comfortable place, take a deep breath, and close your eyes. Let go of the concerns of the day. Begin by reflecting on humility. Humility is not about diminishing ourselves but about acknowledging our connection to the universe. Recognize that we are not solely responsible for our prosperity. Picture yourself as a tree with deep roots. Your roots represent humility, the solid foundation from which abundance grows. Now, visualize prosperity as ripe fruits hanging from your branches. When we cultivate humility, we allow these fruits to grow and ripen. Understand that prosperity is not just for you but for all. When we share our abundance, it multiplies. Humility teaches us to be grateful for everything we have, no matter how big or small. Gratitude attracts more things to be thankful for. When we practice humility on our journey toward financial prosperity, we are opening the doors for abundance to flow into our lives in surprising ways. Take a deep breath and imagine financial wealth flowing to you like water from a calm and steady stream. Open your hands and your heart to receive this prosperity. Know that you are deserving of this gift from the universe. As you bring your focus back to the present moment, remember that humility and prosperity are intertwined. Be grateful, be humble, and your journey towards wealth will be filled with blessings. Thank you for this meditation moment. When you're ready, open your eyes with a renewed sense of humility and confidence on your path to financial wealth. Join us for more daily meditations and inspiration on your journey to a richer and more prosperous life. Click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. We look forward to walking with you towards a more abundant life. Until next time. Peace and prosperity.